Good afternoon, it's Bruce Hastie from Argo Yachting. You join me here on January the 17th at the Dusseldorf Boat Show. We are on final setup day. The show opens tomorrow, 18th of January, right through till Sunday the 26th. We are at the entrance to the Galeon stand. This is a phenomenal stand, about 50% bigger than last year, and we thought we'd just give you a quick sneak preview before the show opens tomorrow. So come on, let's go and have a look at the 6 boats we've got on display. So welcome onto the stand. If I do a quick run through of the boats we have on display, we've got the Galeon 335 HTS, fantastic little cruiser, 2-cabin boat on out drives with a hard top, absolutely superb sports boat. Here to view, currently is owned by our dealer from Shepherd's in Windermere, and this boat is available to buy. Let's now go across and have a look at the 450 HTC. This is a completely restyled boat. 3 cabins with IPS 650. Do excuse all the mess here, this will be cleaned up before you arrive tomorrow morning. So this boat has the balcony option, the patio doors. It's the 3-cabin version with the IPS. Very high specification, also including an opening hardtop. This boat is available to buy during the show. Next we'll move across to the Galeon 480 Fly. Again, high spec boat. You've got the high-low platform, we've got the carousel, which is the 360-degree spinning seat, 3 cabins, very large flybridge, and also the balcony or beach mode option. This boat is available to buy during the show. As we walk through, you can see the 640 with the new hull window design, huge side hull windows, with the fold down balconies, and you can probably hear we've got a brand new sound system on this boat. Again, just being demonstrated right now, so I don't know whether you can still hear me, but this is a 4-cabin boat, and you can look at the detailing we've got on the flybridge there. Absolutely fantastic. Then we have the world debut. So this is the next boat in the 435 line. So last year we launched the GTO. This is the GTI. This boat is an inboard boat. The GTO has triple outboards. This has got inboard IPS 650. The main reason for the change here is so that it gives you a high-low platform to put a jet ski or a small tender on board. Absolute weapon of a boat. Anybody that comes to see this will be absolutely blown away. Look at the beam we have here. Absolutely enormous party boat. Lovely sun pad area here, bifolding doors, barbecue area, 2 cabins, folding balconies, and right up at the bow you've got the lovely open 4-deck seating arrangement. And lastly, let's go and have a look at the 410 HTC. We've got a lovely hospitality and bar area here. Anyone that comes to see us is more than welcome to come and enjoy a drink with us. Lastly, we've got the 410 HTC, absolutely stunning 2-cabin boat. Huge barbecue area here. Lovely big seating area, again with the bifolding doors. Come and have a look at this interior. It's completely restyled for 2025, upgraded fabrics. I just think it looks an absolutely cracking boat. You've also got the opening hardtop here and opening side windows. We'd love to see you at the show. If you're thinking of coming and haven't made that decision, do make it. It's the biggest show in Europe and an absolute must for those people looking to buy a boat for 2025. If you need any more information about ticketing or how to get to the show, please visit our website, which is www.argoyachting.com. Thank you.